We lay our future in thy hands.
Komishona Katushabe ashabira bebembezi ba Bushenyi Shaka Municipality okureba ngo bakora mangu okuteka ebirikwetengeso mpaka ya Ishaka dere motoka zitandike kuzamo omukwezi kwa munana.
The owners and the taxi and tell them, why are we saying we should go the other side? And also show them your roadmap. Agree on these deliverables. By this time we shall have come up to this, by this time we shall put in place. So you work with their leaders to make sure that you don't have any disruptions.
Orukura ekibina cy'abataxi muri Shaka Arthur Muchunguzi agambira komishona ngo abebembeze batekwa gukora park za hamutindo rero babone kutaye imotoka zabo.
Yo park yabeta kuzubwigitabonire yo ahabwe kiragira imotoka nimbaza gushuma unko mushabastarize kushuma yahabwe imberambi.
That's ready to give you police. We all that personnel we shall provide you security in this place. And the moment security is there, you will see other business, you will see the business coming to the time here.
Meya wa Bushenyi Shaka Municipality Richard Byaruhanga agizere ngo paka ya Ishaka ekabire yatandikire kare konka bakagera menkaya na habwitaka.
First of all, it had court issues. Somebody was claiming the land was his, but I'm happy and thank the government that person was compensated, and this park, this land now belongs to the municipal council.
It was a collection ground for all sorts of garbage. By now you find groups of people seated here, chewing the weed, doing the other things. But now it is a place where you can sit and hold the meeting.
So many accidents have been happening in the same area. And the purpose of you coming here, Mr. Bishop, is your team, is to assist the park.
Ebirebwire abakozi ba bus za Taos hamwe n'aba Global bakenda kwitana habwe inshonga zo kurwanira abashabazi ahagati y'inguto. Amakuru akagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi.